Okay guys, welcome back to another video with the C63 AMG. We are going to get this one in. Let's get the valve body out and see what we find with the car. So we're gonna get this one in. Let's go. Okay, here's the car. Here's the transmission, bottom of it. There's the filter. Here's the part that failed, but it's not just this part that failed. We found a lot of metal. Here's metal. What, metal? A lot of metal inside of the pan. Inside the magnets, all the magnets collected the metal shavings, so there's a lot of metal and broken pieces of transmission. See? Something broke. And yeah, that's it. This transmission is kaput. It's finished. There's a lot of powder, metal powder inside the fluid. You can see it right there, and especially right there. All of that is like metal powder. And the magnets, look. A lot of clutch fluid, metal shavings. So that's it. This transmission is kaput. And as you guys saw, the valve body is also no good. We have our new one right there. But this transmission does have to come out of the car, so we have our handy dandy tool right here to turn the crankshaft. Got pretty much everything disconnected over here. We'll have the transmission mount out. Have the drive shaft disconnected. Got our transmission jack. Exhaust doesn't have to come out, but yeah, this transmission unfortunately has to come out of the car. It's got it's the morning. It's a lot of fun. Anyways, we're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna turn this engine and we're gonna get those torque converter bolts disconnected off the engine flywheel. All right, let's do this. Okay, so all the mounts are out. We have our little platform that we're gonna put the transmission on. Transmission is ready to come out. We've pretty much got everything disconnected. All the bolts, all of it is off, and the lines are off and hooked up. We got the connectors all removed. Everything is disconnected. And there's the crack of the transmission. It is fully disconnected from the engine. I'm gonna strap it down and bring it down. And just like that, with a little bit of movie magic, there's no more transmission in the C63 AMG. That's because it's right over here. And yeah, fun. We're gonna load it up right there and head on over to check if this transmission is rebuildable or not. Let's do this. And the transmission is out of the C63 AMG. Got all the parts in the trunk. Got our new valve body. And yeah, this car is gonna go outside. This has been fun. I'm gonna go show you guys the transmission inside the Lexus. This is kind of funny. Okay, so we got the valve body core inside there. That's gotta go back to Mercedes-Benz because they charge a core. So let's show you guys the transmission inside of the Lexus. And here we go. Bam, transmission in the trunk. Got it on a piece of wood, some plastic. Got our MCT clutch torque converter and the whole transmission. So let's take this over to the transmission shop and see if this is rebuildable or not. Let's go. Okay, we are driving this transmission over to the transmission shop. And guys, I am driving like super slow. Like we're talking like 50 kilometers an hour. I don't know if you guys saw that. There we go. Yep, we're driving super slow because it literally feels like we got a baby in the back seat. Well, a baby in the trunk, baby transmission. Not really, but yes, because we really don't want it to flip over or anything like that. And we definitely don't want to flip over. So yeah, transmission is out of the C63 AMG. It is what it is. This is the 4th time this transmission is out of this car. Hopefully the last time. We're gonna rebuild it properly. We're gonna rebuild all the clutches and everything or whatever is damaged inside there. New valve body, program it, change the filter, the fluids, everything. We're gonna flush it, drive it, program it, flush it again, so that literally would never have this problem ever again, right? Right? Oh, we're hoping. Anyways, this will be the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm super excited to get this rebuilt and put back inside the car and make another video for myself and for all of you guys. So thank you all for watching. See you in the next video of the C63 AMG transmission rebuild. Peace.